So guys, hello and welcome to the 37th tutorial of Python programming. Now we're going to see global and local variables. So when we saw functions and all in the previous videos, see whenever you use a function, suppose a function for printing sum of two numbers, then you need two variables to store them, right? To store two numbers. So the variables, we are going to see the types of variables when we use functions and all. So as the name itself suggests, global means the variable that can be used in the whole program anytime, and local variables are variables that we can use in a specific function only in that function. We can't use them outside that function. So that's what it means. So for differentiating both of them, let us write some functions. So suppose I have a function called grab function. I can name it anything. So okay, I have this function, and suppose I have a variable called name equals to say Sam. So see, I wrote this variable. Hold on. I wrote this variable inside this function, right? So what does this mean? This means that name is a local variable. So I cannot use this variable outside this function. So see, and inside the indentation means I am writing everything inside the function and all. So first of all, let us try to print out name inside this. So what we can do, local variables, we can access them inside this function. So when I write print name inside this function, it will not give me any error. Actually, first of all, I'll have to call that function. So to call that function, I just have to write the name of that function. So when I write the name of the function and I run it, it will print out Sam, because it will not go, the controller will not go directly to here. It will start from here, then it will search for this function, it will come here, then it will see name is Sam, that is a local variable, then it will print out the name. That's what it does. But what if you directly try to print out name? You don't call this function, or even if you call it, actually we'll not call it, we'll hold on for this. So try to print out name directly, that is the variable directly. So it will give name is not defined. So it is not defined because it is outside the function. Sorry, not outside, it is inside the function, and we cannot access the variables inside this function. We use classes and all, but that is not for now. We'll see that afterwards. So that's what actually, and you can do one more thing. So suppose this is name1 and it is equal to say any random name, and when you call this now, print name1, and you run it, obviously it will run, it will not give me any error. But what if you use the variable outside the function and you try to use it inside the function? Let us see what happens. So you try to print out name1 now, and obviously first of all I'll have to call that function. I'll just erase it all and I'll call that function. Yeah, I'll just call it now. See what happens. Name1 is not defined because it is outside. See this. Oh, actually I erased that. That's what I was thinking. Name1, wow, equals to any random thing. Okay, now see it printed out name1 as well, because it is global. Global means it is outside the function, so you can use it anywhere. So that's the difference actually. When you write global variables, you can use them inside the function. You can use them inside any of the random function, any number of functions that you create. But for local variables like name, you cannot use it outside this function. You cannot use this in any other function as well. So that's the difference. So it is a practice of a good programmer that you use local variables more, because when you write global variables, they can be tempered and all. This is not for now actually, but programmers generally prefer local variables more. That's why. And actually if you want to see the difference, you can pause the video and read it to yourself. I actually tried to explain the whole thing, but you can try to read it for yourself. So that's all. Thank you.